Why is the world so unfair?
Have you ever loved me? If you have never loved me, then don't waste my time. Don't waste our time. Let's break up.
Hello, Abby. Are you free? Let me introduce myself. My name is Huawei. According to the norm of society, I am considered not normal. That is because I do not like girls. I like guys. Society dictates that a normal relationship can only occur between a male and a female. Of course, there is nothing wrong about a male and female relationship. But for me, it is unfair.
Daydreaming ah?
No. And this girl over here is Abigail. She is one of my friends, my only friend.
Wait. Stop. Wait.
Stop.
Here we go. Sit down, please.
She is the only one around whom I can be myself and rant to.
So, what's up?
I broke down.
It's about time, right? I mean, so like you like her?
That's the thing. I don't even like girls. I mean guys.
Okay, mami. Mira.
You different ma. You're my best friend.
Okay lah, but I mean, you know what happened?
Yeah.
Wei, you're home? Have you eaten yet?
Yes, Mom.
So, Chinese New Year is coming. Are you bringing your girlfriend? You are bringing your girlfriend, right?
No.
Don't tell me you broke up again. Why?
Because
Why did you break up with her?
I like.
Stop! Stop it! Don't say it! I thought you had fully recovered from it. But I guess that's not the case. Just go to your room, try getting back with her, and say that you are sorry. Don't say it! I thought you had fully recovered from it.
Even the one who gave birth to me, my mom, cannot accept me for who I am, as she is a very religious person. She'd rather think of it as a disease that can be cured rather than to accept it. The only reason I dated girls was to see her smile.
Are you really going to date a guy?
Yes.
If so, make sure I'm dead before that. Because I don't want you to disgrace the family as long as I'm alive.
Hoping that one day she would realize that this doesn't make me happy. And at that moment, I decided to run away from my problems. I called Eugene and asked if I could stay at his place for a while.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, hi Eugene.
Mama, Huawei is here.
He initially agreed, but on the second day,
Hey, Huawei. I initially thought you could stay over at my place, but my parents aren't cool with having you around. So you gotta find another place to crash at.
It's okay. And I'm sorry if I caused anything unnecessary. And thank you for letting me to stay.
Alright, man.
Thank you.
there it is again. Society rejecting me for who I am.
Hello? Eric? I'm Huawei. Hey man, do I really have to wear this shirt?
Of course. If you want to stay here for a night, you must wear the shirt and also play with me.
Hey, are you really okay for me being here? Because you know, I'm...
Okay? Yeah, of course. I don't mind you staying here. I mean, that's who you are, right? Why does it matter? I mean, like, there'll definitely be people who don't accept you, as in accepting you for who you are. But then there are a lot of people like you everywhere around the world. You're just different, not weird. I mean, like, let's take this for example. I like Kamen Rider.
What does that have to do with that?
That's the point, you see? You don't even know what Kamen Rider is, right? As in, like, not, I mean, in general, no one likes Kamen Rider. I guess no one likes Kamen Rider. But then, no matter what people say or what they think about it, no matter what they critique or how they judge me for it, I don't really care. I still like it. I mean, if you stick to your own decision and your own resolve, I guess it's okay.
No.
After hearing what he said, he reminded me of one vital information. I wasn't alone. There are others like me. They have friends too. They have people who accept
man.
them for who
Yeah,
they
sure.
are.
Good luck.
And I will meet
Bye.
people who will
Bye.
accept me for who I am.
I'm sorry, Mom, but I promise I will not do that again. And Mom, I got something important to talk to you about.
I'm grateful enough you came home. I don't want to talk about anything now.
Mom, this is important. Please hear me out. Mom, I'm not responsible for who I am. I'm a God gifted to you. If being gay was a choice, I wouldn't make the choice. With it, I hurt those who I truly care for. My family and my friends. But this is who I am. I I can't change it. As much as the society might go up against me, I need as much as support as I can, especially from those who I truly care for, you.
I believe you will recover from the disease one day. I will not control your life anymore, but I truly wish that you would recover in the future. You are the one I care for.
Not everything happens as you expected. Not every problem will get a perfect solution. It is the same as my story. I might not have a happy ending. Well, it isn't too bad either. I started being more positive toward myself. I eventually began to freely express myself as I do not wish to deny who I am inside anymore. As time went on, I made more and more friends who accepted me for who I am. Life may not be all about sunshine and rainbows, but I guess we just need to appreciate life as it is. I truly believe being who you really are is what makes you stand out and special. I mean, come on, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. As for my mother, she might seem like a very evil person for not accepting who I am. But truly, I do not blame her at all for being that way as I grow older. The reason she is the way she is now is due to the simple mindset of the previous generation that has set a certain rules for everything. Such as loving someone of the same gender is a sin or crime. Therefore, opinion and mindsets are being passed down through generation after generation. My story might not have the best ending nor a very good one. However, it is still not too late for the newer generations. All I wish for now is for the people of our generation to begin accepting and loving people for who they are, so that the mindset of acceptance and spreading love can be passed down on the next generation. So that the next generation would not have to go through what I have went through.